Multiply 89.45 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 8 is 8. The third partial product is 894,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. In the 10 negative thousands column, 0 plus 9 is 9. In the hundred negative thousands column, bring down 8. The whole negative number product is 894,500. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 894,500 becomes 8,945.00. That is simply 8,945. So 89.45 times 100 is 8,945.